See how long it's taking for it to come up? It's spinning and spinning and spinning. Right? And another good way to check is to go to your task manager and shows you the memory utilization. It's really high. What you don't want to see is a lot of paging happening. If there's a lot of paging happening, that means it's writing to disk to accommodate for the lack of memory. Okay, so here are a couple of tips to quickly upgrade your memory on the machine and get a better performance. So now we're going to shut down, and I'm going to upgrade it from 2 GB to 8 GB. These are two DDR3 204 pin SODIMM memory. Okay, we're going to upgrade that on my Acer laptop, Timex 4830TG. I got the memory from Amazon. You can get it at Amazon or on eBay. It's about between $40 and $60 depending on where you buy. Alright, so let's just go and upgrade it right now. Oops. That was unexpected. Okay, that's my Acer, right?